heart of Maricao, tradition doesn't just survive, it thrives. Welcome to 787 Coffee, where every bean tells a story. Ours is a tale of resilience.
The first pictures now coming in from Puerto Rico after taking a direct hit. Hurricane Maria slamming into the island, and as you heard, one official saying the island is destroyed.
When Hurricane Maria tried to silence our story, we responded with unwavering spirit. From the highest mountains of Puerto Rico, each coffee cherries nurtured with love, hand-picked with care, ensuring a farm-to-cup experience that's authentically ours, not imported, but homegrown. Despite the odds, we overcame. Surviving Maria, outlasting Fiona, persevering through pandemics. Our dedication and the dedication of our co-workers is unwavering. Our resilience, your enjoyment. Dive into the taste that echoes our journey. From the highest peaks of Puerto Rico to bring out peaks of flavor in your cup. Specialty coffee, single origin coffee, hand-picked, freshly roasted in our beautiful coffee farm on some of the highest, most beautiful mountains of the island of enchantment, just for you. Join our story, savor the resilience, taste tradition, embark on an authentic Puerto Rican coffee journey that echoes the strength of Maricao. Welcome to the 787 Coffee family. We grow it, you enjoy it.